If your household is anything like mine, you share dish duty with your spouse, significant other, or roommate, but you can never quite tell if the other person ran the machine already. Ever put away a couple racks of dishes only to realize they haven't been run? Good luck sorting out which dishes were which. If you want to make sure that indeed the dishes are done, man, before you empty the dishwasher, here's a super simple hack I discovered. Just go online to your friendly neighborhood, world-dominating, multi-billion-dollar online marketplace and purchase one of these inexpensive magnets. I favor no particular manufacturer over another, and stick it on your stainless steel appliance. If you've loaded the dishwasher but, for whatever reason, haven't yet run it, make sure the slider is positioned to show that the dishes are dirty. But once you've added the detergent and started the cycle, slide it to clean. That way, when your cohabitating companion goes to complete their chores, they'll know whether the dishes are dirty or clean. It may seem simple, you may even think it's stupid, but it has completely eliminated the guessing game in my kitchen. And there you have it. My dishes are clean, my sink is empty, and my cupboards are full.